Hi there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you've stumbled upon this YouTube channel, chances are you are learning English and looking for free ways to learn English. Well, you've come to the right place. I'm an experienced English teacher with over 15 years of teaching experience in various countries across the globe and to students in person as well as online and now here on YouTube. I'm so happy you've stopped by, and I hope you stick around. This platform is filled with lots of information. I've got quite a bit of information for beginners, listening, vocabulary, full classes, but I also have information for intermediate and advanced level learners. I'm here for all of your stages on your English language learning journey. And I am super passionate about pronunciation. But beyond that, I'm passionate about helping my students feel confident in their ability to speak English. Because if you don't feel confident, chances are you're probably not speaking very much English at all. Ask any of my students, and they'll let you know that their biggest growth in their language was their confidence and the way they felt when they spoke English. Because I believe in you and I believe in your ability to succeed. If you're here, you're already one of my people who I know just needs a little encouragement and a lot of trust to get to the next step. Everyone is their own worst critic. Well, I'm your biggest fan. So I hope you stick around and let your English improve with me. I'll see you in the next video.